Traction T7 allows you to move the browser around. You thought the browser was always stuck over on the left. Well, now you can put it where you want. And the way you do that is go to the browser. You can open and close it right here with this little icon. I use the keyboard shortcut B to open and close the browser. You see the user interface animates in kind of a cool way as well. Well, to relocate the browser, you grab it by the open close button and then drag it to whichever edge you would like the browser to reside at. So you can grab it right here, drag it over to the far right edge, which is where I prefer to have it. Drop it right there. If you prefer to have it back on the left, just grab the button and move it back there. You can even put it up on the top. If you have a big screen, this can work pretty good. What's more, you can have multiple panes offering multiple views into the browser at the same time. Now, the way you do that is to locate this tiny plus right here, and that will add a pane. You can see it even animates as it adds it. And then you can choose what to view. So here's a view into my files. If I want to go into my saved bookmark, which is my loop library, I just open that here using this. And then this allows me, with this drop down, to choose which tab or which view I'd like to use. The second view I like to use is search, and then I'll set that up so that it will go through my plugins. So now I have a view into my files and my plugins at the same time. If you wanted to move on with that, you could open yet another one and another one. So you can have views into different resources that you'd like to be dragging into your project. Now, if you want to close these panes, then just click the X. There's a small X at the upper right corner of each pane, and that allows you to close it. And again, if I'd prefer to have this over on the left, I can just drag it from here and put it on the left. You can also resize the browser using this right here. Now, you can also choose where you'd like the browser to come up for each new edit. You choose that in the Settings tab. So go to Settings, General Behavior, and then right here, there's an option that says Side Panel Position, and by default, it's set to left. I like to change that to right, because I almost always want to see my browser come up on the right. So I can drag plugins in, I can drag clips and loops and things into my project. So those are the new browser positioning features in Traction T7. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.